How to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube in Safari on your Mac. If you want to keep watching YouTube videos while using other apps, this tutorial will walk you through how to enable picture-in-picture in Safari on your Mac. First, open Safari on your Mac and go to the YouTube website. Next, start playing the video you want to watch. Now, right-click on the video once to open YouTube's menu. Without moving your cursor away from the video, right-click again. This time, Safari's context menu will appear. From the Safari menu, click Enter Picture-in-Picture. The video will pop out into a floating window that stays on top of your other apps. You can drag the picture-in-picture window anywhere on your screen, resize it by dragging one of its corners, or use the playback controls to play, pause, skip, or close the video. When you're finished, click the Return to Tab button to send the video back to Safari, or click the Close button to exit picture-in-picture mode. That's all there is to it. You can now continue browsing, working, or using other apps while keeping your YouTube video playing in the corner of your screen. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.